Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to recover Snapchat account without phone number or email. So first of all, go to Google, type here to Snapchat team support. Tap on this, scroll down. After that, click on contact us. Selecting the second option, and again second option, and look here, the shown here a form. You need to fill up this form. And type here to email, the another email, that email Snapchat team contact you. Type here to description. You need to just waiting some hour, then Snapchat team contact your email and recover your Snapchat account. I hope if you want to follow my process, then you can easily recover Snapchat account without phone number or email address.